Thinking about installing paint protection film yourself to save some money? It might seem like an easy weekend project, but is it really worth it? Paint protection film, or PPF, is designed to protect your vehicle from rock chips, scratches, road debris, and everyday wear. But here's the catch. Even the best PPF won't perform the way it's supposed to if it's installed incorrectly. DIY PPF kits are a great option if you're protecting a small, flat area and you're comfortable taking on a hands-on project. They're more affordable, you can install them on your own schedule, and you have complete control over the process. But DIY also comes with challenges. It's easy to trap dust or moisture under the film, create bubbles or wrinkles, or end up with lifting edges that can shorten the life of the film. Professional installation offers a different level of protection. Certified installers work in a clean, controlled environment and carefully apply the film so it fits around curves, edges, and body lines with a smooth, nearly invisible finish. While it does cost more upfront, professional installation typically lasts longer, looks better, and often includes a warranty for added peace of mind. If you're protecting an older vehicle or a small panel, DIY might be a good fit. But for new vehicles or anyone looking for the best long-term results, professional installation is the smarter investment. At Sun Control Minnesota, our experienced team is here to help you protect your vehicle with expert paint protection film installation backed by years of experience.